Give the kid that is shit.
As you can see, this is an HD lens from Ever Hair. I so much love this hair, and it came in with so much detail. You guys know the difference between HD transparent lace and a normal wig, and actually this is how this comes in, like as you can see here, Ever, and it has this in front, in back, at the back, sorry, and it also has some details in front, like I don't, okay. This is actually a 20-inch lace frontal wig, and it's super soft, silky, and it's from Evawigs. As you can see, details to this hair will be down below. So guys, we all know that there are normal wigs that have no HD transparent lace. As you can see, this is actually a huge difference. It's like it came pre-plucked, it came bleached, it came, everything was just super done for you. And you know, when I was earlier showing the wig cap, you can see that the lace actually matched my skin tone. As you can see from here, the lace actually matched my skin tone, and it's actually my color, my skin tone. You know, I'm a dark girl, so it's fit me so well, and it's super affordable. I so much love this hair. I was so amazed when I received this hair because it's actually my first time I'll be reviewing something like this, HD lace, transparent lace. Yeah, I normally ask, like, you guys actually ask me all the time in the comment section, like, when will I review a HD lace, transparent lace frontal hair, maybe coily or straight. And I said, okay, soon I'll do that. And this, guys, this is just actually your answer to your question. And trust me, this hair is super nice. It's also easy to install, and the texture is so soft. As you can see here, I so much love this. And guys, in case you're interested in this hair, you can actually click in the comment section, in the description box down below. Details to this hair will be down there. And this is a 20-inch lace frontal wig. So guys, I so much love this hair, as you can see. Like, ooh. And guys, actually, normally when you receive your lace frontal, you can actually straighten yours, or you can just rock it that way. Trust me, it came fully customized for you. As you can see here, I'm just going to glue. And actually, guys, don't forget, this is actually a HD lace frontal. So guys, it's not so difficult to install. You can actually just wear the cap like that, and this is an average size cap, in case you're wondering. And it came so merely at when I was trying to install it, so it melted into my head cap because there was no complication. It's actually your skin too. There's no need for you to bleach or tint the knot. You just have to put the wig cap and trim out your lace, and that's it. So guys, and if you love this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And also guys, go check my Instagram at Fit9C. I'll be there. So guys, thank you for being part of me today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.